Hi guys, what's up and welcome to the class for circular arrangement. This is a very basic class, so a very small and easy example will be discussed. Not very small, but yes, easier ones compared to the tough ones in circular arrangement. And this is presented by www.competitionmentor.com. So I hope you will enjoy this video and you will learn a lot of things for those who are beginners and have a lot of doubts regarding small things, which is equally important to solve circular arrangement. So this is the question in front of your screen. Please pause it. I will show you all the questions one by one and then try to solve it yourself. And in case a lot of people who couldn't solve it, we are there to discuss this today here. This is question number 1. This is question number 2. This is question number 3. This is question number 4. And this is question number 5. This is the option for question number 5. So let's start by reading the question. The set of 5 questions. Study the information given below and answer the questions based on it. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are sitting around the circular table facing the center. No two males or two females are immediate neighbor of each other. A is wife of H. A sits third to the left of E. F sits second to the right of D. D is not an immediate neighbor of A or E. H and C are immediate neighbors. F is not an immediate neighbor of his wife B. So these are the information provided to us. That's very evident, right? And the good habit is, as I have shown you the question that was for your solving, basically you should always have a look of questions that will priorly give you an idea about how much can you solve this caselet. So if they are saying how many can you find exact match of age, the gender or the position, so it gives you an idea of that you cannot find, or maybe you cannot find like that. So that is one part. You should always have a good habit of quickly seeing the options. So let's begin solving the question. The first question says, which of the following is true about G? So it means if the first question is saying this, we should begin solving our caselet and directly by considering all the facts what is given, we should start and discuss that. So let's see how should we do it and how quickly we should analyze these kind of caselets. I'll be a little slow and be taking little longer time than you should take in exam, but this will be more explanatory and clear the doubts of a lot of people who are new to these kind of caselets and have basic on small nuances in solving these kind of caselets. So now let's start solving our caselet. So we'll place the question on the screen, so this will be our kind of guidance for solving. And now let's begin. So as you can see, there are 8 people there and the direction is given. They are facing the center. So I'll quickly draw one circle and I will point exactly like this, and obviously all of them are facing center, so that is evident. So only 2 I will indicate just for indication, right? So hence just for the sake, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I will write it down here. So let's start taking the options. A is wife of H, it is given. So I'll indicate A by square, that is female, and wife of H. So obviously this will be male, right? Remember this thing, keep in mind, no two males or no two females are immediate neighbor of each other. This I am not writing it down, but keep that in mind. So as I do that, I will do here also A and H. This is my basic rough sheet. I have to do all these quickly. A sits third to the left of E. So now let's start putting it down on the screen. So let's take something heavier. Okay, so A sits third to the left of E. So if E is here, whose gender till now I don't know, so 1, 2 and 3, this will be third. Okay, that is I think clear for you if you have any problem with this, because this is the left side, right? Third to the left of E. Okay, and that A is given that female. So we'll keep consecutively everything. A sits third to the left of E. F sits second to the right of D. So now again F and D information is there, but there could be lot of possibility where we can place. So currently we will just put it on our rough sheet. What is rough sheet? Something like we'll put it here. So F sits second to the right of D. D is here 1 and second position that I have given. This information I'll keep in mind. D is not an immediate neighbor of A or E. So if that is there, I will cross, because D cannot become immediate neighbor of A, and similarly, so this position D cannot take. Indicator is given like that. So this position also D cannot take. Right? Why? Because D cannot be neighbor of A and E. That is given like that. So I'll just quickly put here. For E also I will cross here D, and here also D. This is just the indicator that these positions cannot be taken by D. That is clear how why, right? So next, H and C are immediate neighbors. That's given. So again, H and C is not on our screen, right? So we'll put it here somewhere, H and C. And these are not the pair of any husband and wife, so that's why I'm keeping it out. And this is the information for husband and wife, right? So H and C are immediate neighbors. F is not an immediate neighbor of his wife B. It means to say B is the female. I will use the red one only, right? F is not the immediate neighbor of his wife B. So F is male, and hence again I will just quickly put the mark whatever we have. So we have, and this is not, he is not the neighbor of B, right? So this information we have. So as you can see, we have some information about D, right? And for D, 2 probability is left, this 2 space, because all other are not there for D, right? That we have discussed. So let's begin something for D. So F is sitting 2 place right of D, right? So if we put here, the right part of D will be this side, right? So it can become this, correct? Imagine if I had placed D here. So F would have to be here, right? 2 place right. So that is correct. So it means that there is no possibility case, because he cannot sit here, right? A is already sitting there. So this possibility case is gone, and this occupies our correct position, and hence we will mark the gender also for F, because F gender is given. So now let's see other. This is taken away, taken care of. H and C is given. They are immediate neighbors, right? So here, is there any position except these two? I guess no, because all other are singlets. So either H can be or C can sit here. H and C can sit here. Now, as you know, this H is male. This much keep in mind, because information we have provided here, right? Now which information is, so this we have taken care of. Which information is left is F and B cannot sit together. So if F is already here, B cannot sit here, right? Or maybe here. Obviously A is sitting, so no chance of putting it here. So for B, only this position is left, right? Only this position is left, and she's a female. Now we can go back to, this is also taken care of. All other thing is taken care of. Mostly we can see no 2 males or no 2 females are immediate neighbors of each other, right? So this can help us solve lot of things. So how it can help us solve lot of things? Let's see. Because B is female here, this will become D, because D cannot be female. Otherwise the rule of this one will get hampered, and this also will become male. Now as you can see, all other places are occupied. The only thing which is not occupied is G, right? So G is only left here, and that becomes a female. So we'll put G female. Now we can start filling the options. So E male, and C and D is only left, and that too also I think D we have taken male. So only C is left, which will become female, right? Hence we can say that H will be here, because if C becomes female, he cannot be the partner of with A, because A is female already. So we can rule out this one, and we can say C is this part and female, and you can see now it can set a very good example because both the neighbors are males. So perfectly it's fitting there. H cannot take the position here because if H comes here, you can see E is already male, so H and E cannot sit together. So there is one very good doubt you can think in the whole question. It's not said that there is 4 pair of male and 4 pair of female. So by pushing the H thing, that's why only you are getting C as a female, because if H is male, then C becomes fail. So by mistake, do not consider anything that there 4 males and 4 females were given, and obviously do not conclude anything from there. Here deliberately we have not found. As you can see, H cannot take this position. That's why we have said that C is female. That's why it has to go till to here and say like that. Now the whole caselet is solved. Everything we have got, and then now we are ready for questions, which will be very easy for us to solve. So which of the following is true about G? G is a male. Is G a male? Obviously, you can see here, G is a female. So no, that is not the answer. So that you can cross it off. G sits exactly between F and E. So G is here and F and D. No. G sits exactly between F and D, not F and E. So that's also crossed off. G sits third to the left of E. G sits third to the left of E. So E is here, and E ka third is 1, 2 and 3. So no, that is also not there. So we can cross easily that part. G sits second to the right of B. B is here, and you can see 1 and 2. So that is there, true. So that question correct answer is D, none other, and hence you can see how we got from the diagram as we have seen. So G sits second to the right of B is the correct answer. Now who sits third to the left of B? Third to the left of B. So B is here facing this direction, 1, 2 and 3. That is H. So we can say obviously H is sitting. So the answer should be B, right? So that is the correct answer, B. So how many people sit between B and F when counted in anti-clockwise direction from B? So B and F, we'll check how many people are there. So B is here and F is here. So anti-clockwise this direction will count. 1 and 2 people are there. So that is perfect. 2 is the answer. I hope there is no doubt. 2 is the answer. So B should be the answer. That is correct. So question number 4, which of the following group consists of only female members of the group? So as we have already separated this, we can see A, B, C and G were the the female members. So that's why we have to look for the options that you can see here, find it, that is option E. So option E is correct. Now the question number 5, if all the person are made to sit in the alphabetical order in clockwise direction starting from A, the position of how many excluding A will remain unchanged as compared to the original sitting position. So the question is clear. If A, I will stabilize A, and then clockwise I will do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and how many will remain in their same position. So I have already put it here on the green. You can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So you can see D and H, they are in their same position. A was already excluded given in the question and clockwise was taken. So 2 of them remain in the same position. The answer should be option C, and hence this is the completion of the whole caselet. So this will be obviously you must have found this was a very basic caselet and not very difficult one, but still moderate level, not very easy. And you can find these kind of questions in prelims exam or mains also, and such question you should definitely solve, and your logic should be crystal clear. If you have any doubt, please post in the comment section, and if you anyway like my work, you can visit competitionmentor.com, and there you will be a place where you can donate. So anything above 100 you can donate, including 100. So if you like my work, thank you for watching this video, and please stay tuned. You can check our other sections on quants, reasoning, verbal, and thank you so much for watching this video, and best of luck.